You've picked a model and written a prompt. Now let's shape the image. Its format, its resolution, and the right size for wherever it's going. First, aspect ratio. Each chip is drawn in the exact shape it produces, so you can pick by eye. 16 by 9 is a wide, landscape frame. 9 by 16 flips it upright for a tall, vertical image. Changing the shape doesn't change the price. Only the resolution does. Let's look at that next. Resolution sets how much detail the model renders. 1K, 2K, or 4K, and watch the price move with it. 1K is 8 cents, 2K is 12, 4K is 16. You always see the cost before you spend it. Back to 2K, a solid everyday default. Now, the social row. These set your aspect to the format each platform likes best, in one click, picking the closest shape your model supports. TikTok and Reels want full height 9 by 16. X reads best wide at 16 by 9. Instagram and Facebook feed posts go portrait. Shape with aspect, detail with resolution, or let a social button do both. Next up, bringing in reference images.